back, I rep them, put down your visor.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, we're outside again. So yeah man, we're just our circulation we work with. You know? So yeah man, I just come from Big Moto and it was actually a nice ZX-10R 2007 black, mate. Yeah, I nearly came out with it. Went to inquire and all of that, but it was gone. Someone had already put a deposit on it. So we're back outside again. Vegan special, green ninja and all that. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Wasn't meant to be. So now you're left with listening to the ZX-9R sing. You know what the maddest thing is? I'm not in no mad rush to get rid of this. Do you know what I mean? That's why I've still got it. Because I actually do enjoy riding this. I love it. But obviously you want a bit of variety on here, man. And I want a fuel gauge. Or a fuel light. And you know what happens as well, family, yeah? When it comes to these times where it's summer, like heat waves and all that stuff, they put an extra, I call it bike summer tax. You get me on the bike then. Like more people want bikes than that. You get me? Come on, turn off your signal, man. What are we doing? Right, is that A4123? Yep, it is. Do you know what time is it? Yeah, I need something to eat, man. Emergency services, where are they going? Who is it? Oh, it's ambulance. As I said, family, what I'm going to do is anywhere I see like the police and they're heading somewhere, I want to see is which part of them I go, oh, can't do that there. I didn't realise there's a whole curb there. Tut tut tut. A strong link with the past, a Hanson Mild Ale, whatever that is. This is gonna be them dodgy lights on that, man. But now we're gonna carry on. Why not? It's telling me to go left, but we're gonna carry on. It's getting even warmer, you know, fam. Mate. Oh, there's no way I could have been wearing that jacket right now, I'm telling you. Don't get me wrong, not saying it's good practice and all that. But, yeah. To be fair, what I need to get myself is one of them skeleton suits, all the armour and that. I don't know if that's what you call it. But it's too hot. It's baking. It's all good when the bike's moving, but you see when the bike stops, it's sitting there like you're in the devil's yard. You get me? Mm.